Okay, folks, here we have it. Just purchased this morning. It's an M&P 9mm shield. I've been wanting one for a while. I got the full-size M&P 9mm, but I've been wanting the shield. It's a little smaller. You can conceal it a little bit better. So here we go, opening up the box. See what we got in here. There we have the M&P shield. So ain't that nice? Looks like it comes with two clips, lock, but so there it is, folks. The my new M&P Smith Wesson 9mm shield. I got it this morning. It was on sale at Dance's Sporting Goods. After I mail in the rebate, it'll be $224.99. Wow! Normally a $429.99 suggested retail price, so that's almost half off. And it's a lot smaller than my full-size M&P 9mm that I've got already. So this will be a little bit easier to carry around and conceal. So there you have it. Got a spare clip with it. Flip it over here to the other side. It's right nice gun. I think I'll enjoy it. So there you have it. M&P shield, 9mm.